the corruption case against former eThekwini Mayor Zandile Gumede and 21 others resumes in March of next year. That's right. They all face a combined 2,793 corruption charges for embezzlement, allegedly amounting to more than 300 million rand. This relates to alleged fraudulent Durban Solid Waste unit tenders, which were awarded back in 2017 during Gumede's tenure. Newzroom Afrika's Karinda has more.
Zandile Gumede and 21 other suspects are accused of forming an illegal enterprise to siphon money from the Durban Solid Waste unit. They've been charged with racketeering, money laundering and contravening the Municipal Finances Management Act, among other corruption-related crimes.
While the state expects the trial will start in July, Zandile Gumede supporters have maintained that the charges against her are politically motivated. Gumede and other former senior municipal employees are accused of using their position of power to influence tenders at the Durban Solid Waste unit. The alleged corruption amounts to more than 300 million rand.
The supporters are lamenting the month-long court delays. The now 58-year-old Gumede was arrested in 2019. She was still the eThekwini mayor at the time.
All the accused lives are going to be impacted by this, because this thing of coming to court is costly. As you know, you saw the advocates that are being brought here are of high caliber, so they really charge a lot of money every time they appear in court. So these postponements are really bad for everyone.
But the National Prosecuting Authority said the state has been ready for trial and that delays are coming from some of the accused.
On the previous occasion, the matter was postponed till today for the state to respond to requests for further particulars from the various legal representation of the accused in this matter. So today, when we resumed the matter in court, the state did put on record that we had received the previous further particulars request and we had acceded to those and responded to those, and we did put on record that we are ready for trial. However, during the proceedings, we found out that further the legal representations now require requests for further particulars as well. So given that, and obviously these are pre-trial issues that need to be ironed out before we can proceed to trial. So whilst it may seem like, I wouldn't call it a stumbling block, but obviously these are issues that we have to iron out. So when we get to trial, it's a successful trial.
Meanwhile, Gumede is still holding on to her political career.
She's still standing for the chairperson, but she's in good spirits. I don't think anything can pull her down. All these tactics that they are trying, they're not going to work, I can tell you that.
A tentative trial date has been scheduled for July next year. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Karinda Jagmohan in Durban.